Menteri rangbah ke jylla konrad ke sang mam minta kesini ya khat kendai trek leber arajar apundre ulai Kynduh ya ulat ke jylla CH Wijaya Shankar Lok Bhavan Shillong hakni ke jing Kynduh Menteri rangbah ke jylla ula pensau ya ke jingjia ke bala jah Garo Hills hakini kesini bala dep ke bala poi do pot ban pensang ya no ya ke election MDC syak yang dorbar jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council habakran hakilat pathai kubor den balai Kynduh ya ulat ke jylla Menteri rangbah ulai tho bahakni ke jing Kynduh bau la batai ya ke bala jabat mental kam so to shushu ha ka baya de bat ka jinglang jingman ha Garo Hills ha baya ya de bat ka jing syakem jong ki breu ka ne ka de ka benta jong ki plate kat kum ki sabut ka bakidan haring kat ki rul ki kendan ki bala le ya la kam menteri rangbah ulong kat nungut ki la syakem bat ki bala syakem ya kata dan jing tip namar ka ne ka de ka kam jong ka tanat plate ki bapet ya ka syongsuk syongsan menteri rangbah ulong ba menta kam dan syuk kata ka jing kan ad andre na kaliang jong ka sarkar kalau long ka bapet ngor men pentik na bakan don ka jing syong sok bat ki brewanta kila ya le jawan ban beteng ya laki kam ki dok bat laweng ru ya ka jing pakhang kini kilong ki dak ki shen ba ka syong sok syong sain kala sedang wan biang
so far.
Number one, governor has after I briefed him, so he was of course much more aware about what happened, and the briefing was basically just, as I said, a briefing on the law and the situation. Regarding the arrest, we'll be very clear on this. It is purely police department's responsibility, and based on whatever evidence and whatever rules that are there, the police will take action. I'm not aware of how many arrests have been made. I'm not aware of who all been arrested. It's a pure police matter, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per evidence. So I think the SP there will be in a position to reply to that, to the different SPs, but those details are not. In terms of the violence and different incidents have come down. There are some sporadic incidents that are there once in a while. Violence has come down, but we are keeping a close watch to ensure that there is normalcy should return. To a large extent, it has returned. To a large extent, people are now getting on with their day-to-day lives. To a large extent, as I said, even after assessing the situation, the internet ban also has been lifted. So these are signs of some sort of normalcy returning. But we are carefully monitoring the situation.
Okay.